Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, today I went out to see if the man on the moon was still doing cartwheels, and we will find out. I did 3 video clips: 2 p.m., 7 p.m., and 9:30 p.m. Oh, and I've got a picture combination of 3 stills taken out of each of the 3 videos. Another little video to show you here that a friend of mine made that's excellent, and some images that may help you understand what we're talking about. All right, first video, 2 p.m. Uh, let's just let it. Okay, so what you want to do, pay attention to, is the terminator line, which is the light shadow line. Watch its direction, which way it's pointing. Okay, 2 p.m., 7 p.m. Pay attention now. Okay, 9:30 p.m. Hard, doesn't work well at night. As you can see, I still got houses and utility pole, and you can still see the terminator line. Though with the darkness and the crappy camera at night, it just doesn't record well. But you can get the gist of it. Let's just finish the video. There it went out of focus, but still got houses, and that's a utility pole. Okay, so combined picture. 3 frames taken out of each video. Now I said pay attention to the terminator line. Okay. Actually, let's go to this. So here we're looking at the terminator line is like this. Here. And here. Notice something. Does today's moon, notice the terminator line, in the day before or the day before that, they're all pretty much straight up and down. They're shown by the Farmer's Almanac since 1818. Trusted source, absolutely. Okay, so does this look the same as what I have here? No. Oops, let's go with the other one. I didn't know I had 2 open. There you go. So this is what we mean by a cartwheeling moon, or moon rolling, or however you want a tire rolling down the road, however you want to call it. However you want to call it, is it shouldn't be happening, period. Even the Farmer's Almanac shows us. Go to the wiki page for lunar phases. It'll tell you about some hemisphere specific views. All the information, wax and all your lunar phases, wax and wane, everything. But as you can see, it's not matching up. We are seeing a cartwheeling moon, and it is not the moon. The moon is still doing what it's always done. Because the only way you can roll a shadow like the terminator line is the shadow line. The only way you can make that roll and turn like this is to roll the observer. It's simple: ball and a light. Take a ball and a flashlight. See if you can make that terminator line or shadow line roll. And I guarantee you, you won't be able to. Because everyone knows you can't roll a shadow. So here we have a rolling shadow. So the only way you can roll a shadow is to roll the observer. So the Earth is on its side. Alright, so We'll save that. Just a couple images to explain what I mean, like the man on the moon here. If you would imagine a face on the moon, this is what it's doing. It's rolling 15 degrees an hour. I didn't make this image. It was made back in 2014, but I still use it because it shows exactly. It shows what is normal and what is not normal. But this is what we're seeing every night. You'll hear a lot of us talk about wax to wane in one night. Well, as you can see, this is what my pictures showed. Obviously not in this correct order, but we had here to here and then to here. It's 15 degrees an hour of rotation documented nightly from our perception here on Earth. Wax to wane in one night. This is wax. Right side lit, left side dark. Wane. Left side lit, right side dark. Well, you can see in my pictures we're headed there. That the moon is doing that clearly. This is tonight, today, March 21st, 2021. You can go back through my videos. I've got totally different pictures of the moon, still doing the same thing. This has been going on for over 10 years. Okay, so the last little bit is this little video that a friend of mine made that I downloaded off his page. This is actually from Southern Hemisphere. So when you saw in my pictures, that's Northern Hemisphere. I'm in Virginia. This is from Australia. Now, it's very clearly documented that the Southern Hemisphere sees the same moon we do, but they see it upside down or exact opposite. We see Tycho Crater at 6 p.m. on a clock face. They see Tycho Crater at 12, the 12 position on the clock face. So here you can see we're seeing a counterclockwise rotation of the moon. They're in the southern. That's how you can tell Southern Hemisphere by their pictures. Obviously, Tycho will be at the top. The Tycho is now turning around along with it because the craters and Terminator, the craters and shadow line are moving together. Let me see if I have a quick picture with craters. They're not that. They're hard for me to get, so I generally got to rely on others to get something like that. No, but we can go back to the Farmer's Almanac. History. Here's Tycho Crater. Tycho Crater will be at. This is Northern Hemisphere. Tycho Crater is at 6. And you will see as we're moving into the full moon phase, you'll be able to see Tycho Crater with your eyes. You'll see when the moon rises, the Tycho Crater will be over here at around the 3 o'clock position, and later on it'll be down here where it should be, and then just before it sets it'll be over here at the 9 o'clock. Well, the dictionary is very clear and the lunar phases are very clear where Tycho should be per hemisphere. So obviously down in Australia, Tycho will be up here. That's where it should be. But when it rises down there, it'll be over here at 9 o'clock. Later on in the night, 12. By a set time, it'll be over by 3. 180 degrees rotation. Well, guess what? What else spins at the exact same speed? The Earth. 15 degrees an hour. So the Earth spin that is now on its side, the poles are now horizontal instead of essentially pointing vertical minus the 23 degrees. It's now on its side. So everything on our equatorial region, planets, sun, stars, constellations like Orion, Jupiter and its moons, Saturn and its rings. They're all doing the exact same thing now, turning like a clock or doing cartwheels. So you guys need to, if you're unfamiliar with this, I suggest you go outside and take a look. You just gotta do what I did here. You know, right now the moon is visible during the day, so you can check it out at probably tomorrow. You'll be able to start seeing it around noon, and then noon, and then look at it at 5, and then look at it at just after the sun sets, and you'll see this. Despite what anyone tells you, this is should not be happening. You can look it up. Wax and wane is very specific. Hemisphere specific views is very defined. Okay. Alrighty. I'm gonna go to bed. Everyone enjoy their rest of their day.